floor is like totally wrecked out and just collapsing. That's pretty good. Should I just keep going?
Over 1 month later.
Alright. So the day I dragged this on here, it fell off the friggin' casters because it sucks. So today I'm gonna try and get this centered on the trailer as best as I can, so it sits in the rails. I jacked it up, put this 4x4 across, and see if I can get the come along on the body, shift it over. I might even just leave this here, tie the back down, jack up the front because it's centered fine. Just jack it up, get it on jack stands, strap the whole thing down, bring it to the car wash, and get her all power washed out because this is getting nasty in here. Because once I do that, I can put the top on it. That way this will be sealed and start the next process of replacing that floor and whatever needs to be replaced underneath. Treat it, undercoat it. I also want to bed line the whole interior so she's sealed up nice and will last. And yeah, let's get her done. Pulled the computer and the blower motor out and discovered that. That's awesome. Look at even down in here. Look at that. Nice condo. Great. All right, got it all strapped down. Give it a quick vacuum in the inside to get all the big chunks out. Yeah, it's good. Solid. Let's head to the car wash. Alright, get it back. It's letting it dry out. A little water got in here, but whatever. Came out pretty good. Got most of the scale. Definitely got a good job on the interior. The inside of this dash still smells like shit. So that's another thing I'm gonna have to do. I'm probably just gonna have to open all of this up, get in there and clean it. Had this top kicking around. threw it on here for now. I got the doors from this sitting over there. So throw them back on. For now, I'll go ahead and order floor. What do you call that? Torque. What do they call them? Torque boxes or whatever. Body mount brackets. So eventually order new brackets here for the fenders. Then you get a new hinge. Oh, I also got to work on this trailer. You know this strap holding the axle center because the main leaf broke on the front, so the axle just wants to shoot back and hit the fender. So I got that keeping her in. You know, redneck control arm. Yeah, good so far. Got to get this painted up and mount it back on here. Had a blowout a couple weeks ago while driving. Fucking rim just separated. Brought it out nice. Had to throw the 33 spare on there, which leaks. You know, that's great. I got a set of rims and tires on order. Hopefully those come in soon, because I got, it's the last week of June, and I've got a trip coming up the last week of July. So I need to get this thing ready. Chickens. Another thing too is I gotta get this ready for the end of July. Is I need to do some type of mount up. I used to have a basket up there a while back. It was really small. It's meant for an ATV, and I had it would clamp onto the roll bar, crossbars, and the basket was sitting on top. But I like to move that to mount above the spare. And then I got another one of those baskets that go into the receiver. I like to take that, mount it on the roof. Because in this trip I got coming up in about a month, I'm going to have the dog with me. That's pretty much going to be the bed for him. Or her, whatever one I decide to take. So it leaves limited space for interior. I got a little space in the trunk. Not much because I got a compressor back there for my locker. Not much in the front, you know. So I got a month to figure this thing out and get it ready between rims and tires. I gotta fix my center skid. Also the front skid I need to do too. That's not even mounted, it's sitting in the garage. I gotta trim one side because it hits the front drive shaft, and I like to cut a hole in the middle so I can easily do oil changes without having to take the complete skid plate off. And I also want to do a little bit of stiffening to the brackets, stuff like that. So I got a lot of work to do, about a month span. I gotta remount the bumper, which I need to paint first. On top of that, this project, which, you know, that's gonna be one of those long things, long time deals. Also, I gotta get this roadworthy. So I just recently bought a house. I'm gonna need that, do a bunch of yard work, in moving and such. Yeah. The rest of this summer is gonna be fun. I also like to get this door fixed. Show a little massaged in. I gotta massage it back out, brace the inside. So I can't even put the handle on here because it hits the window. Because this is just like caved in. You can see that, so that's nice. That's at the very bottom of the list. Not a priority. This is though. Just gotta get the rims and tires in, get those on, skid plates, both baskets, and yeah, probably do an oil change, check all the fluids. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh, I gotta get a new battery, because when it's in this, it dies too quick with the winch. The winch is just putting too much of a load on it. It's really killing it, stressing out the alternator. So I kind of like to get a Deep Cycle Marine RV battery. Throw that in there. And yeah, lots of crap to do, little time to do it. All right, until next time.